we are back with the final instalment of Pocket Bears for Advent. There's 11 bears left. Christmas is next week, so I thought we'll just get right on with it and open them all and see what we've got. I'm actually really excited. Truth be told, I'm opening them because, well, I really want to see what I've got. And also, oh, he's lovely. I think this is what, basically, I went to an antique store yesterday, I think I did, and I found a couple without the stories, sadly, and this was one of them. It's called Adrian. So I wanted to see what I've got here in case I didn't have the bears. This is Adrian. He's lovely. This is one I did pick up because I couldn't say no to him. Now, I know that this, it hasn't got his story, but I know this one is called Dim Sum. And he's a little panda. And again, he is super adorable. I'm just falling over, leaving it. So yeah, I've got my little pocket eye on a couple. Oh, he's lovely. Look at him. So these ones, the later ones, have got the names on the bottom. This one is Jack Bear. Oh, he's beautiful. Got a little sailor outfit on. See if I can slip away into this one. This one's tiny. I'm trying not to hurt him. Oh, this one I have got a story for. This one's called Bobby. Bobby on the bottom. Look at his little bow. Oh, he's gorgeous. He's so sweet. And this one is Bobby's story. Oh, I just love them so much. Ah, okay, so this one makes sense. So this was in the bottom of my big bag. So, yeah, okay. So I don't think this is a Peter Fagan, but he is still very, very sweet. And his little paintbrush goes on there, so I'm going to have to fix him. Yeah, I think he's one of the blue nose bears. This one is Clarissa. And look at her little booties. She's beautiful. Very, very sweet. And do excuse me sniffing as well, I've got a little bit of a cold. Oh, there's two in here. Oh, that's so cool. Right, this one's chocolate chip. I have got chocolate chip already, but I will quite happily have doubles. But I haven't got this one. And look at him, he's called Bert Bear. Oh, he's so sweet. Oh, I love him. Oh, that's amazing that there's two in there. I love a present, like a pleasant little surprise, and that was a very, very nice little surprise. So again, this one isn't a Peter Fagan, but this one is a Treasures Austin. It's set on the bottom. Again, it's a similar texture to a Peter Fagan, but Peter Fagan's bears have these little eyes. You can see the difference in the textures and the eyes, but he's still very, very sweet. This one's well and truly sellotaped in. This one is Robert Bear. And again, we have his little story here. And he's adorable. He's very sweet. This one we do have the story for. Look at him. He's gorgeous. Little paws. And I believe this one is John. Yeah. This one is John Bear. This is John's story. We have 3 more to open. We've got this big one. Oh, he's lovely. Oh my God, he's lovely. This one's called Miranda. So I believe in the later years, he brought out a collection called Sentimental Bears, I believe. Because he did a collection as well, which was celebrity bears from the 80s, and like a few celebrities let him do little models of their teddy bears. And a couple of my favourites in my collection. Oh my God, this one's so tiny. This one is so tiny and so sweet. This one is Mini Midge, and we have the story, and just look how tiny she is. She's lovely. Oh, she's gorgeous. And this is Mini Midge's story. So, one of my, well, 4 of my favourite bears in my collection. They are the Scout Bear. So I've got a Scout, a Cub, a Girl Guide, and a Brownie, and they are so sweet. But we will have a look at them at a later date. So this is the last bear of Advent. But I've really enjoyed doing these videos, so I will show you more when I get them, and I will probably show you more in my collection because I have a lot of bears and I do love them. So look at him, he's gorgeous. This one is called Morris Minor Bear. It's really hard to pick a favourite out of all these, but I think my favourite this time around has got to be Midge, just because she's so tiny And she's got like a little Christmas bag with her. She's gorgeous. They're all gorgeous. But Merry Christmas, guys. And don't worry, the Chaos and Coin videos will be back in the new year, along with some other random little bits and pieces. See you soon, guys. Bye.